Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts on CoinGecko using your mobile device. If you want to set up a CoinGecko price alert directly on your mobile device, then follow along. First of all, make sure that you open up your CoinGecko application and log into your account. From the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the top right corner and type in the name of a cryptocurrency you are tracking. After typing down the cryptocurrency's name, select it from the list. Now on the next page, once you find the coin and you open up its detailed page, look for the bell icon at the top right corner and tap on it. On the next page, go ahead and set your target price in the first tab. This is the price at which you want to be notified. After you do that, you can set it for price increase or price decrease, and once you do that, go ahead and select the frequency of the alert. Select if you want it to be alerted one time or repeatedly, and then click on Add Price Alert. Click on Save in the pop-up, and then you will be able to enable Price Alert for a specific crypto. CoinGecko will now send you a push notification when your selected coin reaches that price. This is a super helpful tool if you want to stay updated on crypto prices without checking the app all day. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.